How to automatically delete all gaps in timeline in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added some videos to my timeline and there are some gaps between them. To delete a gap, just click on it and press the backspace key to delete it. To delete all the gaps in the timeline, from Edit menu, select Delete Gaps. And this will delete all the gaps in timeline. You also can select only some of the videos and use Delete Gaps command to delete only the gaps between selected clips. Now let's use an adjustment clip to delete gaps between clips. Open of Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop an adjustment clip above your videos in timeline and adjust its duration to match your videos. Now select all the clips and drag them into the adjustment clip. Then drag them back to their place. Now select all the parts of the adjustment clip and press Delete key to ripple delete them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.